Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start using Telegram step by step. Open your App Store, download Telegram, and install it now. Tap to open the app and enter your phone number to create an account. Verify with the code sent by SMS, then set a profile name and photo. Allow contacts and notifications so you can find friends and receive messages quickly. I will walk you through privacy, chats, and basic settings next. Creating a friendly profile helps others recognize you and keeps your account secure. After verification, choose a clear profile photo and a display name you like. Add a username so people can message you without your number, and pick a privacy level for who can find you. Explore settings to set a bio and delete or export data if needed. I will show how these choices affect chats and privacy in simple steps. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely with Telegram voice chats and music while you work. It's a handy, compact gadget that makes hands-free listening and smart home control simple. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Telegram offers simple chats plus powerful features for groups and channels. Tap a contact to start a one-to-one chat or create a group for friends and coworkers. Use channels to broadcast messages to many followers without replies. Send voice messages, stickers, and any files up to large sizes for free. I will demonstrate creating groups, inviting members, and using built-in tools like polls and scheduled messages to manage conversations easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.